Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Microsoft Outlook. Whether you need to enlarge text for better readability or zoom out to see more of your content at once, mastering this feature will make your email experience much more comfortable. Let's jump right into it. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Make sure you're fully signed in and that your inbox has finished loading before moving forward. This ensures you'll have access to all the tools and features we'll be working with today. Once your emails have loaded, we need to access the email composition tools where the zoom feature is located. To do this, click on the new email button located on the top left part of your screen. This will open up the email composition window, which is where we'll find the zoom controls we need. From the email composition screen, the process of zooming in or out in Microsoft Outlook is quite straightforward. Look at the top part of your screen and you'll see several tabs. Click on the Format Text tab. This tab contains various formatting and viewing options that control how your email content appears. Once your Format Text menu has appeared, look at the far right side of your toolbar. You'll see the Zoom button right there. Click on it and a zoom window will appear. This window gives you complete control over how much you want to zoom in or out. From here, you can select from the preset zoom percentages that Microsoft Outlook offers, which include common options like 75%, 100%, 125%, and 150%. Alternatively, if none of these presets suit your needs, you can use the percentage selector and manually input your desired zoom level. This gives you precise control over exactly how much you want to zoom. Once you've configured your preferred zoom level, click on OK to apply the changes. Your email composition window will now display at the zoom level you selected, making it easier to read and work with your content. This zoom setting will remain active while you're working in that particular email window. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to zoom in and out in Microsoft Outlook, giving you better control over how you view and compose your emails. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.